back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day back and with another video for y'all, and today we are going to be doing some pop art inspired makeup. So this is a continuation of like the Halloween looks this week, and today is pop art. I'm kind of just looking at myself because I got my teeth whitened. I think I told y'all that I got my teeth whitened the other day, and like the way that you do it with the UV light, it's like a mouth guard thing, and it kind of like, I can't lie, I feel like it gave me like a mustache, and she said it's gonna go away, but like I just can't like get over it until it goes away because like, bitch, I can't have no mustache, like what? So yeah, like the UV light or whatever has given me like a darkness around my mouth because of the UV light for the teeth whitening, and she said it's gonna go away, but like, oh my gosh, it's like really bothering me. It really is, because I'm trying to cover it up and it just looks so dark around my lips. Anyway, I digress. So yes, we're gonna be doing pop art makeup. I've really been trying to give y'all makeup looks that require no costume, because as y'all know, the prices of costumes are ridiculous. Like $60 for a costume I'm about to wear for 3-4 hours. 3-4 hours, not even a whole day. Like, no. So I'm gonna be giving you guys some options that you can do to, you know what I'm saying, save your coins and still go out on Halloween night. So today's pop art, I'll insert a picture of, if you don't know what pop art is, I'll insert a picture here just so you can kind of get an idea of what we're doing today. Yeah, I feel like this look is super easy. I already started by doing a base. A lot of my Halloween makeup or creative makeup, I always start pretty much by doing my everyday kind of makeup routine. So all I'm gonna be doing is really taking some black eyeliner. I have this right here, but you can also use eyeliner like this. I just feel like this works a little bit better for me because the fact that I'm gonna be like drawing on my face. So yeah, this look is super duper simple, and let's go ahead and get into it. Also, another thing that I really love about the makeup looks that I'm giving you is the fact that you can create it to your liking. So you can tone it up, tone it down based on the person that you are. So with these looks, I really just like that you can make it your own just based off of the person that you are. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, what you're going to want to do is do your foundation. You know what I'm saying? Like, go ahead, do your foundation. If you want to contour, do all of that first. Now, next, what we're going to do, since I've already completed that step, what I'm going to do is take a colorful palette. It's a pop art, so you really want to use color. Like, you want to use color, but you can make it your own. So today, I'm going to be doing blue. I'm feeling the blue. Okay, so this is the blue eyeliner look that I did. I just chose blue because I feel like with pop art, you really want to be colorful. Like, that's the whole purpose, pretty much. So now that I did some blue, it's real different, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna go in and start drawing my lines. The lines is like the key to this look, pretty much, because it's gonna make you look like a cartoon character. So I can't really explain what I'm doing. I always have a hard time like explaining makeup. That's why I don't really like label them as tutorials, because I can't really say. So what I want y'all to do, I'm gonna try to go slow and watch me just where I'm putting my lines, basically. And what I'm gonna kind of do is draw like a line. do my what do you even call this right here? Is that's not your Cupid's bow, but I'm gonna do this part too. Next, what I'm gonna do is outline my lips, and you put color in there, but y'all know I do my lips last.
Purchase your tracks today.
And y'all don't mind my nails. I went out last night, and y'all, how you party so hard that your nails come off? Crazy. Crazy. I didn't even notice it until I got home, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm missing nails. I've pretty much done my face, like your facial features are very much there. I'm gonna go back to my eyes, and I'm going to really like define it and really make it cartoon-like. Okay, so what I have done is use this white pencil. It's actually really thick, but I don't have another like white eyeliner. So what I did was use this to do under, and what it does is make your eyes look bigger. I actually really don't like this. This is a LA girl. It's just like way too chalky. Like, I don't know. I don't like the way it like goes on the skin. It just looks really bad. So this is just to kind of show y'all that you can do it however you want to. I tried to do like a bottom lash because y'all see I kind of finesse the top, even though they're not even twins. They like sisters. This side way fatter than this side, but like I'm saying, this is all trial and error. But yeah, I tried to do like a bottom lash, and that it ain't working. So if you could do it, then do that. But me, I'm about to wipe this off because it's just not doing it for me, the bottom. So yeah, we're not doing that. But if you could do it and really finesse it to make it look like...
That's why Reverend Warnock is running for the Senate.
Just loud. I'm watching YouTube videos, y'all. But yeah, if you could do it to really look good, then go for it, sis. But for me, I obviously couldn't do it, so I'm just gonna take it off. Okay, so now that I wiped off the bottom lash that I was gonna do, what we're gonna do now is draw some teardrops, because a lot of the pop art, like they have like, you know, the crying girl or whatever. So what we're gonna do is draw some teardrops. light blue shade since the eyeshadow I use is this dark blue. I'm probably gonna use this light blue. Go in and really try to like make the tears come to light. Okay, so as y'all can see, the look has really came together as far as the really dramatic, colorful pop art type of vibe. I use some lipstick that I don't, like I barely do color lipstick on a daily basis anymore. So I have so many like lipsticks that I just don't use. But what I did was take like this super Barbie pink and I mixed it with a slightly darker, wow, this thing is broken. A slightly darker Barbie pink. That's a hot mess. But yeah, so I mixed these two colors together and kind of just mixed them. And it created like this really bold, like colorful look. And I actually really like it. And also for the blush, I use this one, which as y'all can see compared to the others, I never use this one. So I just really wanted to give it that like lots of, you know what I'm saying, color and pigment. And I really just tried to go in a little bit heavier on the blush just to really give it that dramatic pop art look. But again, like I said, what I absolutely love about the makeup looks that I'm choosing to do is that you can really just make it your own. Yeah, I love the fact that you can really make it your own, and you could do any color eyeshadow, any color lipstick, any color teardrops, add glitter, add, like, it's just all up to you. So that's what I really like about the makeup looks that I'm choosing to do for the Halloween type of videos. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look. I put a different shirt on just so y'all can kind of see that if you wanted to, you can even add it on your body too. I just followed the contours of my body, you know, collarbones and a little cleavage or whatever. But yeah, you can get really fine with it, you know what I'm saying, with shading and stuff. I just didn't bother to really like go in and really shade it. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is super cute, super easy to do. I absolutely love this look because you can do it in so many different ways. The pop art look. So yeah, I would just pair it with something really basic, but again, that's up to you based on how you want to do it. So for me, I would wear all black with this fit because you know my hair is already colored. Then I got colors on my face, so I would really just rock it with a all black outfit. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys choose to recreate this look, please tag me, send me your pictures of your pop art look. I would absolutely love to see it. If you guys, you know what I'm saying, got inspired from my video and wanted to try it for yourself. I absolutely love pop art, so yeah, I'm gonna be liking, commenting, all that. So if you choose to do this look, please make sure you send me a picture, tag me something, let me see. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn your post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, y'all don't know when, then you will be notified. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.